Alright, so once you have the, what we used to call in Chrysler, the beauty cover, the cabin air filter compartment, I don't know what you call that stuff. I don't know BMW's terms, I'm sure they abbreviate it with something. But once you have all that stuff off and out of the way and you're checking for a misfire or replacing spark plugs or coils or whatever you're doing, these sometimes will look like, I don't know, people get scared of them. But they're actually really easy. So I'm gonna just show you how to remove the coils from this from BMWs. So what you do is you lift up on this tab, pull it forward, boom. This one came off easy because I just had it off. So vice versa, boom. And this one I didn't have off yet. So just kind of like play with it a little bit. Don't pull on the wires, whatever you do. Pull on the tab, the actual tab, and just like play with it and you'll get it out. Boom. There. So then to pull the coil out, bam. So it looks like somebody's already marked these coils. This was list 4. Because what we have here is a P0301, that's a cylinder 1 misfire. The fire, I don't know if it's the firing order, but the lineup of the cylinder is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's cylinder 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take cylinder 1 coil, replace it with cylinder 2, and I'm gonna take the cylinder 1 spark plug and replace it with number 3. So if the misfire moves to 2, then I will know that it's my coil is bad. But if my misfire moves to 3, I'll know my spark plug is bad. This is a way of diagnosing a vehicle and not just throwing parts at it, because there's a lot of mechanics out there that will throw you some coils, plugs, whatever. Plugs for this aren't cheap, neither is coil. I'm sure it's due for plugs, and I would recommend to do all 6 of them. It has, I think, 80,000 miles on it. But coils, I'm sure they're even more expensive than their plugs. From BMW, I'm sure they're at least $60 to $120. Yeah, I know that's a 100% increase, but you never know. And they might even have a service interval on them, as far as I know, but I am ignorant to the situation, and what we'll do here is just actually try to find the problem and get taken care of what it is, not what it could be. Oh, look at that. BMW Performance Power Kit installed. This thing does have a BMW exhaust. I wonder what that entails. Cool beans. Oh, replace spark plugs after 45,000 miles. There you go, that makes perfect sense. So it's probably due for spark plugs. Maybe it's not the coil, but it might be the coil as well.